All right, so we're in part 2. We're just going to do more practice on changing from point slope to slope intercept. So go ahead, and I want you to try this next one here. All right, let's see if you did this correctly. So if I'm doing this, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get rid of the parentheses first. Parentheses tell me to distribute. Y minus 7 equals 6x plus 24. I'm trying to get y alone, so I'm just going to add 7 to both sides. And I get y equals, because the 7's cancel, 6x plus 31. All right, pause the video, see if you can do the next one. Now, if you've already looked at this and you're like, ooh, fraction, don't like that. It's okay, we know how to deal with fractions. It's no different than any other number. Distribute. My steps don't change. I'm still following the same steps that I did in the last problem. I just got a fraction now. Negative 1/3 x. Negative 1/3 times 9 is 9 times 1, which is negative 9 over 3, which is just negative 3. Okay, see? Nothing to be afraid of since it's a fraction. Okay, let's subtract 15 from both sides so we can get y alone. Y equals negative 1/3 x minus 18. This is, again, why we learned how to solve for letters before, because sometimes we're going to have to move equations from one to another, so that way we can get some other information. So if I was in this form right here, point slope form, and I wanted to get my y-intercept, I could just convert it to slope-intercept form to figure out that my y-intercept is 0, negative 18. That right there is a benefit to converting it, okay? All right, go ahead, pause the video and try this one. All right, so we've come on back. Let's go ahead and distribute again. Notice my steps have never changed. I'm still distributing first, then moving whatever was with y over to the other constant and getting my equation. Negative 12 plus 8 is negative 4, giving me my equation. That's all you got to do going from point slope to slope intercept. All right, so now sometimes you're going to be asked to write you're going to be given some information, but that information is more useful to write in point slope, but your final answer is supposed to be in slope intercept. So what do? You write it in point slope first, and then you convert it to slope intercept. So I have a slope of negative 5 and this coordinate. Well, my coordinate is x1, y1. Let's go ahead and put it in our equation. So y minus y1 equals m, x minus x1. My slope is negative 5. My x is 1, but it was positive, so it's going to change to negative. My y1 is negative 7. It was negative, so it needs to change to positive. All right, so I got my point slope, but I'm not done because they want us to be in slope intercept. So let's go ahead and distribute. Y plus 7 equals negative 5x plus 5. Because 2 negatives multiplied give me a positive. Minus 7 to both sides, you get y equals negative 5x minus 2. All right. All right, guys, and that is it. That is all we have for notes for today. Go ahead and go work on your homework for tonight. Today's homework, you got 5 questions in today's check for understanding. 3 of them, you're going to be typing your answer. The other 2 are multiple choice, so pick whatever answer is correct, and the other 3, go ahead and type whatever answer is correct. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to email me and let me know. Otherwise, have a good rest of your day. See you guys tomorrow.